Hello everyone, it's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and today we're going to be working on the Bunny Tails and Flower Pots card making kit from Katy Sue. You might not be familiar with these kits, you might be curious as to what it all entails and what it includes and how it works. So we're going to be working on them really quickly together. The pack makes 8 cards total, 2 of each of the ones that you see on the cover, so 2 of the pink, 2 of the yellow. Also, inside are full step-by-step instructions. So once you open your packaging on the inside, you're going to see the instructions. However, I've also made that a lot easier for you guys. There's also a QR code at the top of the instructions that you can just click on that. I'm sorry, not click on that, scan that with your camera and go watch the video. But if you head over to spectrumartcreations.com and you type in bunny tails, I have actually linked the videos for you there as well. So you don't even have to go hunting. You don't have to take out your phone. You simply go to the online store, click on the product, and I have linked the videos for you. As you can see, it includes all the sheets that you need. It will even include your envelopes and your foam dots. So really, this is something that you can do on the go. You don't need a whole lot. So if you're waiting at the doctor's or maybe traveling, this is the perfect craft. A bone folder and some glue. That's all you're going to need. Now, you could use liquid glue, which is what I'm going to use. However, you could use a tape runner or double-sided tape, so you could do this completely on the go. Now, what you're watching here is a sped up version of the full craft along over 2 hours, I think we were hanging out that we did with our channel members. So if you haven't joined us for one of those are a whole lot of fun. I will share more information on that at the end. So if you like crafting along with friends and hanging out and getting some inside tips and well, we talk a little bit about everything. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, I will share more info at the end. Okay, so the first thing we did, very simply, we pop out the elements. You don't have to cut anything. They simply just pop right out. So easy enough to do, even if you have mobility, finger or hand issues. Then we're going to add our foam adhesives to the back of our elements so that we can create those really beautiful layered elements. I'm going to be using the We Are Memory Keepers dot setter. This is a new tool as of the making of this video, fairly new. It includes 3 different sizes of dots and the tools that allow you to pick up those dots and put them down easily without having to, struggle with hands, fingers. Plus, it really speeds up the process, like by half, at least for me. I know that I love dimension, but sometimes adding dimensional foams is not the most fun thing in the world. Well, this process or this tool makes it that much quicker. Okay, so moving on, we have got to add our foams to the back of our layering elements. And then we're going to simply start layering up those elements by just lining them up and placing them directly on top of each other. Now, if you are new to the Katy Sue card kits, they are fabulous. They really are super easy to do. Even if you've never ever done any crafting in your life, this is one of those things that you can just pick up and put together and make something look amazing. If you are a seasoned pro and maybe you've purchased these from us before, then you are quite familiar with just how easy and lovely it is to create those stunning results very quickly. Now, this kit, if it's sold out by the time that you see this video, because things do tend to sell out fairly quickly, do not dismay because there are other ones that I'm going to be sharing with you. Look how cute that bunny is. Oh my goodness. It is so easy. So now I'm going to put together the next one, which is going to be the white bunny. But there are many different concepts, and I'm going to show that to you here at the end because they release new ones all the time. So we're always restocking old ones when they're still available, and we are stocking new ones as they are released. So stay tuned and I'll show you that. that white bunny is also adorable, so easy to do, and we're not even done. We still have to layer all the little paws and the flowers, but they come together super, super easy and fairly quickly. Okay, now we're going to continue to do the exact same thing. Pop out the elements, add our foam dots, and then layer them up to create these beautiful, beautiful layered pieces. We're going to do that as well for the bunny tails, or as I like to call them, the bunny butts. So we're going to pop out the elements and then just continue to layer them up. We'll do the white bunny tail as well as the brown bunny tail. And I'm going to do just one of each. Again, remember that the pack includes a total of 8. So 2 of each. How fun and perfect is that layering? Okay, on to the brown one. And then we're going to talk about the fact that you also have options as far as sentiments are concerned, because it comes with quite a few sentiments to choose from. So different occasions, whether it's birthday or Easter, or maybe telling someone they're special, or just sending some happiness their way. So there's a little bit of everything on there that you can choose. You can choose to, of course, add the sentiments later if you're not really sure how you're going to be using them. And now we have our brown layered bunny, which is adorable. Now we're going to move on to our bases because all of our layering is done. So we're going to pop out the pot first. Now the pots are reversible, and on the bottom they give you some ideas as to how you could decorate them. Of course, those are just suggestions. You could use any bunny you want. Everything comes pre-scored and pre-cut, so all you have to do is fold and burnish. We're going to fold the pot in half, and then we're going to flip over the scalloped edge forward, and we're going to be decorating that. We're going to close the actual card pocket, which is going to hold our little hidden tuck spot message. We're going to adhere that on both sides and close it up. Again, this is where you could use your score tape if you want to. If you don't want to travel with liquid glue, you could use a tape runner as well. Then we're going to pop out the strip, and they show you here 2 different ways that you could use it. Now, of course, the strips are also interchangeable. So if you want to use maybe the teal one and mix and match them and the purple, I mean, again, you can personalize this so many different ways, but for now, we are just going to stick to what we are being shown here in the instructions. We're going to adhere that. You could also add dimensional foam if you want to pop that up and make a bigger statement. Totally an option. And then to make it look even more realistic, we're going to add some of the dimensional foam underneath the scalloped border. And we're going to use the hook tool to pull the backings of those foam squares, which makes light, easy work pulling those little pieces, especially from the tiny ones. And that's going to give us a really nice 3D look. As you can see, it's going to make it very dimensional. Next, we need our journaling card or card slide. We're going to pop that into the pocket like so. And you can see it just easily slides in. And then we're going to add some dimensional foam, the large blocks that are included to the top. You need 2 for each of the cards. And then we're going to pull the backing off of those. And then we'll be able to add our bunnies. Again, all of the bunnies are interchangeable, so you just pick whichever bunny you'd like. Here I am showing you that any bunny will do. Look how pretty they all look. Amazing, right? And so we're going to stick our bunny tail or bunny butt directly onto the foam dot. And now we have our pull out where we can add a gift card, we can journal, we can add the gift card to the back and journal in the front. So perfect, but we're not done yet. We've got one more quick thing to do. Look how cute those are. They fold flat for mailing, yet have so much dimension. And of course, with all of this prettiness, we want to display these. So there is a little kickstand that is included. So we're going to remove that. We're going to burnish it. And then all we're going to do is add our adhesive to the rectangular part, not the triangle, the rectangular part strip, and then we're going to line that up with the bottom of our card, and then we're going to allow that to dry. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the next wine, which is this adorable wine. We decided to flip it inside out, the pot that is, so that you can see the white finish as opposed to the teal finish on this one. And we're going to continue to add our kickstand and do pretty much everything the exact same way that we've done for all the subsequent cards that are remaining. So you can see just how easy and fun these are to make with no cutting, no scoring, no measuring. All you need to do is burnish a couple of places and then just add foam and they will look amazing and beautiful every single time. Look at that one. The lavender one is adorable. All right, let's continue on. And in the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'm going to share some additional information with you. So I had lightly mentioned that there are many different kits available. So whether they are maybe seasonal, like the bunnies here, or perhaps Christmas ones, there are also ones that are, just like gnomes and bunnies. There are other ones that are like fences, and there are so many different ones that I am going to show you here at the end. So I'll walk you through how to find those also in the online store to make it easy. Here is our brown one. Isn't that adorable? And this one, we decided to use the white side of the card. Again, chat voted. And that's another fun part about the craft alongs or being a channel member is the fact that you get to craft live with us. You get to interact, ask questions, vote on what it is that we're going to be doing. And so much more. So beneath this video, right underneath, there is a join button. If you click on that, it's going to show you the different levels for membership and then some of the perks that are available because there are tons of perks. Not only do you get to craft along with us and hang out, you get dibs and early previews and access, exclusive coupons, giveaways, and just there's a ton. But now that our bunnies are done, let's take a look at them really quickly and you can see how beautiful they look and how easily they came together. And you get that perfect result every single time. Look at that face. I can't stand it. I can't. They just make you happy. They really, really do. And they look wonderful every single time. The colors are beautiful, very springy. Again, you can use these year-round, Mother's Day, birthdays. So you're not limited to Easter or any particular season. And then Madison, who is my daughter, jumped in and helped us decide what was going to go where, what sentiments. We decided to go with the more neutral sentiments like the birthday and stuff like that so that we can use them year round. And then again, Madison laid it out for us because she's got a great eye for color and we added our sentiments. So if you have questions, of course, on anything whatsoever, you can always feel free to leave them in the comments down below, whether it's about the channel membership or the products or anything that you've seen me use on here as well. Feel free to go ahead and leave a comment down below because we love to hear what you think always. And of course, love to hang out with you guys one-on-one. That's one of the fun things about the craft alongs that it is more a exclusive. So you guys get to ask questions not only about what we're working on, but also other things that you might want to find out more about. And then I can take the time to show you those. So sentiments added. Our bunnies are now done. Hop, hop, hooray. That's perfect. Even for like congratulations or a birthday. Maybe a promotion at work, so many reasons why you could use that sentiment. This one is just for you, and then so many more. Okay, now that our cards are finished, I'm going to show you also a sneak preview of something that actually just arrived in the store, and we are going to be doing our next craft along with that product. So if you want to join us, make sure that you become a channel member and that you purchase the kit so that we can craft along together. These are the Blooming Box Bouquets card kits, and they are stunning. Once again, you have full instructions. You're going to have tons of leftovers too because they give you so many butterflies, like crazy butterflies. So you'll have tons for other projects. It includes everything that you need as far as your bases, your rungs, if you want to call them that, but they make these beautiful 3D boxes, 8 of them total, 2 of each color. And I'm going to show you not only what is included here in the kit, but also I'm going to show you that I've already used half of it because I have made some samples for us. I just couldn't wait. I had to work with them. So envelopes, everything is included. The boxes are pre-cut, pre-done, and look at these beautiful boxes. They just fold flat for mailing, but yet pop out with tons and tons of layers. It is like a bouquet. It is amazing. So these are now available while supplies last in our online store. Make sure you go check that out. And as I mentioned, join us, I hope, for the next one. Of course, they're easy enough that you can put these together on your own, but if you want some company, along with other additional workshops, classes, and tons of perks, then make sure you become a channel member and join us for that. Because I don't know, I always think it's a lot more fun crafting with friends. And if you don't know, all of the products that are featured here on this video, plus thousands more, are available in our online store, spectrumartcreations.com. So we certainly hope that you will give it a visit and peruse through all of the amazing products that we have. But I did promise you I was going to show you some Katy Sue really quick. So this is our online store. You can choose to shop by going through the shop online banner located right here. Another way also is at the top, you have some other options. If you go to brands, which is located right here, you can click on that, and that's going to open up the most frequently or the most popular brands. This by no means is all of the brands that we carry. We carry tons more. If you go down to the Ks, because they're alphabetically sorted, you can click on Katy Sue, and that's going to open up all of these beautiful products. So you can see there are teacups, there are windows, the bouquets that we just spoke about are also listed there. As I mentioned, if it's out of stock, most of the time we will be restocking it. You have gnomes, you have picket fences. We even have some holiday ones, such as the picket fence Christmas ones. There are also some fun ones, such as the aprons. And the nativity scenes is one of my favorites. It's so beautiful. And tons more because there's paper lines, there are molds, there are sentiments. Here are the super fun gnome ones as well, and so much more. So Katy Sue carries a lot of different products and also even some quicker just pop out sheets, which we have, as you can see, in stock as well. The Christmas tree pots are gorgeous too. And look at the watering cans. So much fun. Here are the picket fences as well as the floral pots. So very similar to the bunnies, but those are floral ones. And other 3D projects as well. Love these. They're like 3D frames as well. And one of the most popular ones are the Wellington boots also. And as I mentioned, each of them, if you click into them, if they have a video, and then I have made it easy for you because I have placed that video directly on the product itself. So you can just click on that and follow along without having to go throughout the web and do a search. It's right there available for you in our online store. So I hope this has helped to give you a better insight as to how fun Katy Sue projects are, how our online store is sorted, and of course also the Academy. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and of course share it out with your friends and in your crafty groups. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below because we love to hear what you think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we certainly hope that you will go ahead and click on that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that we upload new videos. And of course, join us for our live crafting. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm going to leave another video here at the end so that you can go ahead and click on that and continue to get some more inspiration. Yeah. I'll see you there. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.